Your lens is dirty, man. This lens is dirty.
Clean it then.
I'm trying to. Jesus, dude. Testing. I am not a YouTuber, but I have taken over Tom's camera.
Okay, so just another eventful day in New York City. This is Lincoln Square, which I drive down every single freaking day on my boosted board, and the one day I don't, apparently there's a giant water main break and there was trees being knocked over. There's just like this huge geyser shooting out into the middle of Broadway, and now the entire street has been shut down. The subways have been shut down. There's fire department, there's police, there's construction crews, there's news, there's everyone here. I heard it was really, really bad, and there's dirt and water and broken tree branches all over the street. The one day I don't drive my boosted board down here.
The water gushed through the streets into nearby buildings, subway stations, and parking garages. The break affecting areas from West 61st through West 65th Street between Broadway and Columbus near Lincoln Center. Now, the water has stopped gushing, but it could be quite some time before the area returns to normal.
Today is January 13th, which means I've been in the city for exactly 1 month as of right now. It's been amazing so far. I mean, I've really enjoyed it. It seems like you guys have enjoyed it a bunch. I was concerned that there might be like a bit of an adjustment period where like I was getting used to it or wasn't enjoying it. None of those things have happened. It's been 30 days of absolutely amazing experiences and great fun and meeting people. And I mean, I joined a basketball league. I've got hit by 2 cars. I've had way too much pizza. It has been an amazing 30 days. That being said, I want to make the next 30 days an even better 30 days. So if you guys have any suggestions for things I should do, things I should see, videos I should film and show you guys, comment section, let me know.
Yo!
People were very interested to hear the rest of your Sprint story.
Oh man, they still owe me the money. I had to go. How do I give you the short version? I called them, then I went to the store told me to call them, so I called them. Then I spent 2 hours at home on the phone with them and they couldn't figure it out, so I had to pay for them to cancel my service that I never wanted in the first place. They got my money.
Did you just get a surprise package in the mail?
Yeah, I did actually.
You know what that means?
And the Christmas come early? There.
You know what this is?
No, I didn't order anything. I literally didn't order anything. Maybe they got me something, or they sent me one of those.
All the way from Bloomfield, New Jersey.
Yeah, Bloomfield, New Jersey.
Hopefully it's not a severed hand or something.
Ooh. Oh, it's a Louis bag.
How do you not know that you purchased this?
I don't remember buying this.
Someone just sent you a Louis Vuitton bag out of the blue?
So. I mean, people do send me gifts on Instagram.
Well, shout out to the SNKRBrothers.com.
I don't think that's I don't know who this is though.
Well, if this is from the SNKRBrothers.com, here's some free promo for you. Please send me one.
Well, what if it's
as
not
well.
real? We haven't checked it yet.
I'll take a fake one.
I'm pretty good with Louis Vuitton. Okay, this is 100% legit, and here's how you tell. The yellow stitching on everything on the actual bag should match inside and outside. There should never be a variation, and this is perfect. And then you see how it has the leather right here, Tom? How it goes under like that? Those dudes, the fake ones would never come that way. It would just be straight. This is real. But I didn't pay for it. I got a free bag. I don't know why.
Nice.
But this is gonna be my carry-on when I go to LA.
Oh, and in other news, they have a pair of Red Octobers. Wow. Apparently these go for $11,000 now. Wow, I remember when these released, and I remember when they were only $3,000. Should have bought them when they were $3,000. Why do you think this is a good idea?
So it's well, I'm taking a shot in the dark. What's the worst that can happen?
You could get robbed?
So it's 2 t-shirts for $40, don't get robbed. So you type in, look, so you see it says rock and roll tee? You type in rock, right? Like that. And look, 2 rock tea sale, $40. You hit that. It'll teach you.
So you're leaving me in charge of this entire
Yes,
store?
you got the store.
I don't know what Joe's doing. He just gave me my very own New York sneaker store to run for, I mean, it's only for the next 3.5 minutes, but now this is my place. Could I give myself like a Christmas bonus?
This is what we do on Mondays when it's super boring in the store. I basically rewrap all the shoes. I take all the shoes out of the wrapper, out of the packing, and I rewrap every shoe. Just, not that it needs to be done, it's just because I'm bored. And I do inventory. I count every single item in the store, every piece. I'll count every size, every piece to make sure I'm accurate. I re-tag everything to make sure you guys are getting the best price. Basically, it's all busy work. And then, I'm usually finished that, if we open at 11, I finish that by like 11:05, all of that. And then I just eat snacks all day. And then maybe Tom will come hang out. But that's pretty much it. Snacking and a little bit of work. People think owning a sneaker store is very, very hard. It's not. Don't let these sneaker store owners fool you. This is not very hard work. I promise you. Actually, it is really hard. And I make mistakes every single day. But it's really fun. Tom, I just gave you guys, I gave your audience a rundown of what I do.
Oh, he doesn't really do much. He just sort of sits around here and gives me crap. And argues with Sprint. Does that too. Quick stop in Foot Locker. I need to get some basketball shorts, but while we're here, might as well check out the shoes. And like, they've completely revamped every House of Hoops section in all of New York City. And it looks really, really cool. Like, this looks way better than the old House of Hoops sections. Like, really, really good. They also have one pair of shoes I really shouldn't buy, but I really want to buy. I know most people are calling these like ridiculously ugly, and I can see why people would say that, except I think these things are amazing, especially with basketball. I mean, like, I wouldn't be caught dead wearing these out in the street, to say the least. But for basketball, this is a crazy, crazy looking pair of shoes, and it's 130 bucks, which is why I want to buy them. So I have the KD12s for basketball right now. If I don't enjoy those, these are definitely the backup plan. Oh my goodness, look at these. This is like when you really want a Louis Vuitton backpack, but you don't have $6 grand, so you just put it on a Converse instead? What in the world? I mean, this is 100% a ripoff of the Louis Vuitton stuff, right? Like that super expensive backpack that everyone likes, the Virgil Abloh did? I mean, they're $95, so it's a lot cheaper than Louis Vuitton. Not sure how I feel about those. Okay, turns out that was a huge waste of time. They didn't even have the basketball shorts that I was looking for. I don't know why people are so fascinated by a camera. I didn't have the shorts I was looking for, so I'll probably order them online. And to be 100% honest, I'll probably order those Russell Westbrook. Yeah, I do YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube too, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Have a good night.
You too. Midtown Manhattan is absolutely insane. I bought Ole and Steen. This chocolate bun, as they call it, it's essentially just like a chocolate croissant, except like they call it a bun. $4 for a chocolate bun. You know what? I'm willing to let it slide if this thing is scrumdiddlyumptious, so this is literally just a bun with chocolate chips. I mean, I don't know what I expected. It's called a chocolate bun. Decidedly underwhelming.